This travel trailer by Grand Design is a toy hauler that has solar on board, a generator, and an outdoor kitchen. Imagine you're in the mountains and you have a couple of chairs here with a table, sitting and enjoying the view. This awning is fantastic because you can pull this guy out and it covers the whole patio, which is great for sunny days. And today's a sunny day. This is perfect. Now you also have an LED light bar that goes across here. Great for nights if you want to sit out here. These are lippered sliding doors, and they're great because they're great for nights like mosquito-infested nights. So come on to the garage. This is a 13-foot garage, and as you come in, there are two opposing couches that pull down on a Happi-Jac system. So you can pull these guys down, as well as a bed up top. And that is fantastic because you can actually sleep 4 people in this garage alone. Now coming over to this right here, they have a feature that is really cool. It is on the wall, the click of a button. Actually, there's no button. It's just, well, probably is. But with your finger, you could just press it and you have light. You have windows on opposing sides, so a lot of natural light coming through. Recliners that are here, they swivel. They also pull out. Boom. And just like that, you are here enjoying the inside or outside. Another really cool feature they thought about was your pets. So they have this right here. You have place for water and food, and this is great because
dogs, cats, raccoons.
Yeah, what kind of animal you have? Yeah, we have cabinets up top, USB-C and USB port. Now they're light. Those are so fun to click. More windows, and these are great because they all have blackout shades on every single window in this RV.
It's useful if you have toys in here.
It is. Coming into the kitchen, we have a little fridge by Furrion. Plenty of space, as you can see. There we go. There's a button on the bottom. Freezer. You have your Rockford Fosgate speakers with a sub. Solid door front cabinets. Now you can put all of your chips and snacks in here. Okay, so you can put all your things hard to reach in there or store your cash. We have our microwave by Furrion, as well as a Furrion vent and a couple of lights here with a fan, as well as a 3-stove burner top and oven. This is where you could put your pizza or your morning muffins. Drawers here, as well as over here. So these are great for pots and pans. Storage in there, put your plates and things. So you have this area for storage. They utilized every space they could. Your trash receptacle, sink, and your faucet, as well as more drawers on the side here. And if you notice, there's an LED strip that goes under those countertops. Up top, we have an LCD TV. Check this backsplash out. Everything is white and simple. I love the coloration. It's very
simple.
It's modern, right? All right, so we have a control system here for your music, USB port. All right, this is where your control panel is. We have a gas tank gauge. We'll get to that later. And all of your buttons for your tanks, awnings, and slides.
You have your generator button right there.
Boop.
You don't even have to go outside, so you could really boondock.
Yes. Then you have a thermostat controller, a 2 entryway
that's cool.
for your bathroom. So the bathroom here, we are gonna start off with this medicine cabinet. Lots of space. Love that they have mirrors, but as a shorter person, I am having trouble to see what I'm doing. I like to brush my teeth and see myself brushing my teeth.
This is made for men.
This is made for tall people. Here we have a sink. It's gonna get the job done. GFCI here with your outlets. A water control system here for your water. Water heater?
Water heater.
Water heater.
It's also tankless.
It is a tankless water heater, by the way.
Save on weight.
Yes. Okay, a walk-in shower. Now this shower is massive. Okay, I'm only 5'5", but it is so tall. I'm not even touching the ceiling. And it also has a skylight, which is fantastic.
Makes it very airy and bright.
Yes, very bright and airy. Toilet, and as well as there's some storage underneath. Coming into the bedroom, we have a queen size bed with 3 windows all here, and we also have these really cute shelving in the corners. Those are great for if you want to put a little plant and make it cute, put your phone up there, or some miniature books.
Just the phones.
Storage up top for any blankets, or if you want to put your pillows up there. This area is great for my ladies, okay, because the bathroom did not provide as much mirror. I think they added this feature here, which is also backlit with LED lighting. This is great for putting on your makeup, doing your hair. They have outlets. They have a USB-C and USB port on either side. Drawers to put all of your things. You can put your makeup, your hair stuff if you wanted to. They also have extra storage down below, and you can put, I don't know, your shoes down there, things you don't really use often. Control panel.
That's a deep one.
Yeah, this is for all of your hanging things. So if you have coats, jackets, or things of that sort, you could put that in there. More storage all throughout here. Thermostat for the rear, as well as
2 AC units.
Yes, 2 AC units, and you can put you have controls, I guess, cable or satellite for your TVs. Another boop light there. Your window, blackout shades, drawers. This is a great area for, honestly, you could put a stool here if you wanted to and work from here. This is a big space for here to work from because you have this awesome window, and if you're in the mountains, this is a great place to work. Also, these doors with a bungee cord, slide them over, and it has a magnet so that they're not going anywhere. Now, the coolest part about this RV is that this whole RV can be run off the solar on your roof, which is so cool. Let's go outside. Come follow me. Now, before we talk about the outside, we are gonna talk about some specs. The exterior height of this is gonna be 12 feet. The length of this bad boy is be 30 feet. The hitch is gonna be 1,150 pounds. Fresh water tank is 90 gallons. Gray is 79 gallons. And your black tank is gonna be 39 gallons. All right, and of course you can sleep 6 people here, which is pretty fantastic. And that is it. We are gonna talk about the exterior. On the exterior, we have a 2-axle and an ABS system. We also have a radius door, and all of these doors are actually going to be insulated, so you'll see they're thicker. We have an outdoor kitchen. This is going to be your grill. Boop.
These are really nice.
2-burner grill, or stovetop, I should say. Stovetop. It's not a grill. We have a fridge for your outdoor drinks or meat that you're preparing. Also have some storage in here for chips and other things. Paper towels. We also have a GFCI outlet here. You could put your TV. You have a cable connection for your TV.
I thought of everything here.
You can really take this bad boy and relax. We have our solar disconnect, inverter disconnect. Also have plenty of storage. It's very tall. You can put your tools up there.
But that's for hooks.
Yes.
So you can just hook stuff and hang all kinds of jackets or tools.
It's actually fantastic. All right, in the front, we have a fiberglass cap with paint. On this side, we have our battery disconnect, our water pump here, all of our tank controls, an outdoor shower ready.
Wow, this is probably the coolest part, guys. How many travel trailers have a generator?
Yeah, this is fantastic. You can have this bad boy with you at all times. You don't have to worry about anything.
So your 12 volt actually runs off of your solar.
Yep.
And then if you want to stay off grid for longer, you just use the generator.
Yeah.
You got everything you need.
All right, we have our 50 amp connection here. Tankless water heater by Furrion. Our propane.
You have your actual hose connect right here.
Yep,
Black
connect
tank
your hose.
and gray tank.
As well as 2 slides on this side, which is really cool. Now this feature You know that weird gas gauge I was telling you about? This is what it's for, where you put your gas in, and this is, you can fill up with for your toys and whatnot.
So if you have your dirt bikes and you're living off the grid and you need some gas, it's right there.
Yep, easy accessible, holds 30 gallons. This is a ladder that goes up to the solar. It's a walkable roof, and this ladder actually can be folded into the RV on travel days. And we're back at the patio.
There's also an awning on this side.
Yep, we have a 19-foot awning here on this side. So you have two awnings, one back awning and then one awning here. This one also has an LED strip that goes all along that awning.
And the speakers.
Yes, we have those speakers up there. Those are gonna be your Rockford Fosgate speakers. Again, powered with a sub.
It's gonna be a booming sound system.
Yeah, absolutely, in the mountains.
And it's also backup camera ready, by the way.
And if you buy this RV from Blue Compass, you get these amazing perks.
Buying any RV from Blue Compass gets you the RV Complete VIP membership, which includes unlimited towing, windshield repair, and your very own RV tech, as well as other amazing benefits. And exclusive Loves discounts.
That wraps it up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.